you guys are all welcome. And yeah, I probably just go outside for a moment because I'll take you guys there because I have to look my baby llama, and I just only take her outside because I just want her to play. Yeah, and the mom is playing with her actually. Yeah, very happy because she sleep with us at nighttime. And yeah, because I'm not really sure because the mom is she's still young, and she doesn't know how to look after the baby yet, so that's why I have to look after her baby, and Gus have to look after, and we need to give we need to give her injection every day, so because she have lungs problem, she have infection of the lungs, very, so we have to give her some medication.